balance a chemical equation between phosphoric acid and potassium hydroxide. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have H3PO4 plus KOH yields K3PO4 plus H2O. To balance this equation, we need to make sure we have the same number of atoms of each element on both sides. Let's start by counting each element. Let's start by balancing potassium. We have 1 potassium on the left, but 3 on the right. To fix this, we need to add a coefficient of 3 to KOH. Now, let's count the hydrogens. On the left side, we now have 3 hydrogens from H3PO4 and 3 more from the 3 KOH molecules, giving us 6 hydrogens total. On the right side, we only have 2 hydrogens from H2O. To balance this, we need 3 H2O molecules. Finally, let's check the oxygens. On the left side, we have 4 oxygens from H3PO4 and 3 oxygens from the 3 KOH molecules, giving us 7 oxygens. On the right side, we have 4 oxygens from K3PO4 and 3 oxygens from the 3 H2O molecules, also giving us 7 oxygens. Perfect! The equation is balanced. Let's verify our final balanced equation. H3PO4 plus 3 KOH yields K3PO4 plus 3 H2O. All atoms are now balanced on both sides of the equation. To summarize, we balanced this equation by first balancing potassium, then hydrogen, and finally checking that oxygen was also balanced. Remember, in any chemical equation, the number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides.